students, today you will learn about the polynomials. What are polynomials? First of all, you will learn. You know about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? You know very well. The combination of variable and constant. X is variable and 3 is the constant. Variable means having no fixed value and constant means having fixed value. The combination of variable and constant by 4 fundamental concepts of mathematics. What are 4 fundamental concepts of mathematics? Plus, minus, multiply and division. When we combine variable and constant with these operations, mathematically operation, we find algebraic expression. X plus 3 is algebraic expression, and an algebraic expression in which exponent or power of variable is not non-negative integer is called polynomial. For example, x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 5. You have to observe only power of variable. Here power of variable is 3, which is positive integer. It is 2, it is also positive integer. It is 1 and here is 0. When the power of variable positive integer, then we can say it is a polynomial. Now look, y raised to power 2 plus square root of y plus 5. Now observe, it is a polynomial or not? Now power of variable is 2, it is positive. Now what is the power of y? Here power of y is 1 by 2 here. Square root means power 1 by 2 and plus 5. Now this power is not positive integer, therefore it is not a polynomial. Now z raised to power minus 3 plus z minus 2, it is polynomial or not? Now power of variable is minus 3, it is not positive integer, so it is not a polynomial. An algebraic expression where power of variable positive integer, then it is called a polynomial. It is polynomial. You have only observed the power of variable, not this plus, this minus, this coefficient. You have to observe only power of variable. Only x raised to power 3, you have to observe this, not coefficient 2. It can be 3 by 4 x raised to power 3 plus 1 by 2 x raised to power 2 minus root 5 x minus 1. Here you have to observe only power of variable, not 3 by 4 coefficient. It is 1 by 2, it is the coefficient of second term, root 5. Here power of variable is 1. It is positive. You have to observe only power of variable, not coefficient. You have to observe this. So it is, yes, it is a polynomial. I hope you will clear the definition of a polynomial. Now, classification of polynomial. First is according to terms. You know very well an algebraic expression having two terms is called binomial. It is binomial. Having two terms, first term and second term. Terms can be separated by plus and minus symbol. When the algebraic expression having one term is called monomial. Having three terms, 2x raised to power 2 minus 5x plus 1, having three terms, it is called trinomial. X raised to power 3 minus 2 by 3, x raised to power 2 plus 5x minus 1, it is called quadrinomial. Having one term called monomial, having two terms binomial, having three terms trinomial, and having four terms is called quadrinomial. Second is according to degree. According to degree. Highest degree of a polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. Suppose you have to write 3x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power 2 plus 1. Here terms are 3, but highest power is 4. Then the degree of polynomial is called 4. Degree of polynomial is 4. Highest degree, you have to observe only highest degree. When the degree is 1, highest degree is 1, suppose x plus 1. Power of variable is here 1, so it is called linear polynomial. Its name is linear. When highest degree is 2, x raised to power 2 minus 2x plus 1, highest degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic. When the highest degree is 3, then the polynomial is called cubic. When the degree is 4, highest degree is 4, suppose, then it is called quartic or biquadratic. In this classification, you have to look about the highest degree, not the terms. Here terms are 2, but highest degree is 1. The polynomial is called linear. Highest degree is 2. The polynomial is called quadratic. Highest degree is 3. Polynomial is called cubic. And when the highest degree of polynomial is 4, then the polynomial is called quartic or biquadratic. Thank you.